Okay, welcome to a room tour. This is a double room at the Four Points Sheraton in Arusha, Tanzania. And right when you walk in, I love the floor. It's vinyl floor. I like that it's easy to clean. Our stuff is right here. But there is a nice closet. Not a ton of hangers. Extra blanket. Oh, and hotel slippers. Those will be coming home with me. And then of course we have, I don't want to be in the picture, we have a full-length mirror. We have another mirror up here, and then we have, this is where we have the ironing board, the laundry bag, the iron, and the blow dryer. And then as you flip around, okay, as you step in, here is the bathroom. Nice modern bathroom, toilet, bidet, shower, stand-up shower, which is nice. Roomy in here, which I like, and it has a handheld. And then one sink, which is fine, and a light up mirror, which I love having those in the hotels. And then as you come through here, and then in this, it's not really a dresser, it has a fridge, it does have a safe, it has 2 drawers, and then here we have the little coffee maker. And this coffee is like my favorite, the Nescafe. I know it's like so basic, but oh, look at this. I may have to take those home with me. Pretty excited about that. It's a little coffee. The water is complimentary here. Ice bucket, little kettle, water glasses, a nice little writing desk. And then this is a double room. They said 2 twins, and I was expecting like 2 twin beds. These look like 2 full beds. So I'm excited about that. It's a very clean room. It is a little bit noisy here. We're right on the street, but it's fine. I wouldn't say it's noisy. I can hear it. How do I get the curtain open? There we go. Oh, look at the little handle here. It's like a little boar, I think. Okay, so here's the street outside. You can definitely hear it. And there's a tire store there. But I think that once you close the shutters, I think it's definitely gonna make a difference in the sound as well. So a nightstand, lots of plugs over there, a little stand in the middle, more plugs right there. There's a USB and a plug, and then some lights, phone, television, and this is the room. Oops, sorry. And I forgot to mention there is a TV right here.